Hello and welcome, or welcome back to the GWSDAT tutorial series. Today we're going to be covering the menu options, which can be found under the menu More. Under the More tab in GWSDAT, you can select Options. The first option allows you to specify the concentration threshold values in micrograms per litre for each solute. This can be used for color coding the trends and thresholds, as seen in video 4.5. The second option, Plume Diagnostic Settings, lets you edit the thresholds for the plume concentration, again in micrograms per litre for each solute. This is used for the plume diagnostics as covered in video 4.2, the link to which will be in the description below. And you can also set the groundwater porosity as a value ranging from 0 to 100%, the default being 25%. You can then edit the image export settings. You can change the dimensions of the plot by height and width, and you can change the resolution for the plot by height and width. You can also change the JPEG quality. Finally, the model settings allow the user to change the resolution of the spatiotemporal solute concentration smoother in much the same way as seen in video 3.2. When analyzing the data with the Excel plugin, you can choose between default and higher resolution model fits. You can also select the number of segments, with the default model being 6 and the higher resolution model being 8. You can select up to 12 for the number of segments, but for each unit increase, it will take 3 to 4 times longer to fit. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or any feedback, there will be a link to a feedback form in the description of the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe.